Hi, I'm Sean, Product Engineer here at Durofix, and today I am proud to introduce to you our EPS system for reducing the reaction force of our tools. EPS, which stands for Electro Pulse System, incorporates an enhanced motor control algorithm to deliver short bursts of rotational force into your fastener. This greatly reduces the magnitude of reaction force produced by our tools. Our EPS system ensures an ergonomic and safe work environment that boosts productivity while also protecting your operators from injury and yourself from lawsuits. EPS reduces the magnitude of the operator's hand movements to ensure users remain in full control and reduces chances of injury by removing the large excessive motion resulting from direct drive tools. Our low reaction force tools also reduce the risk of pinch points. They are also designed with ergonomics in mind, being perfectly balanced to reduce stress on hands, arms and wrists, all of which makes production lines safer for your operators. Our low reaction force tools eliminates the need for torque arms or reaction bars, presenting a large saving in installation costs. Utilising Durofix tools is therefore one of the most cost-effective methods for optimising your production lines for safety and efficiency. Now let's go over how to set EPS on our tools. EPS can be set on the back of the tool or through wireless parameter sets through our controller boxes. Our EPS system comes in three modes: soft, normal and hard joint. To choose the EPS mode you would like to utilise, use the buttons on the back of the tool to navigate into the settings menu. Then navigate to the EPS selection screen. From here, you can select the mode that is right for your application. Soft joint mode delivers the fewest pulses but allows for the fastest runtime, which is ideal for productivity. Hard joint mode delivers the highest pulse frequency with the smallest energy delivered per pulse. This is best for hard joints, where even small degrees of rotation can cause over-torqued joints. Now normal mode is the best of both worlds, ideal for all joints that could be classified as medium. Now let's see this in action. Observing this demonstration with EPS off, there is a large magnitude of reaction force. Now this would normally be managed by installing torque arms or reaction bars, which unfortunately results in higher installation costs. On a hard joint, you can clearly see the difference in reaction force with our EPS system enabled. With EPS on, the magnitude of reaction force is dramatically reduced, allowing for operation of the tool without torque arms or reaction bars, while still reaching the target torque accurately. Our EPS system reduces strain on your operators. Combined with our high precision and high performing tools, we can allow your processes to become more efficient by operating faster with fewer operator breaks, overall improving the productivity of your processes. Thank you for your time and attention today. We are very excited to share with you the low reaction capabilities of our tools. I've been Sean at Durofix. If you're interested, please either visit www.durofix.co.uk or drop us an email at sales